In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear WordPress cache step by step so your website shows the latest changes instantly. This is one of the most common fixes when updates don't appear, pages look broken, or your site feels slower than usual. Whether you're using WordPress.com, Pantheon hosting, or a caching plugin, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the very top of your screen. You should see the WordPress admin bar, which is the black bar that runs across the top when you're logged in. If your site is hosted on Pantheon, you'll see a Pantheon option in this top admin bar. Hover your mouse over the Pantheon button. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Clear Caches. This tells Pantheon to clear all server-level caching for your website. Once you click it, wait a few seconds for the page to refresh. This step alone fixes most issues where changes are not showing up on your site, because server cache is often the main culprit. Now let's move on to the next important step, which is clearing your browser cache. Even if your server cache is cleared, your browser might still be showing an old version of your website. This happens a lot with Chrome, Safari, Edge, and Firefox. To fix this, open your browser settings and clear your cached images and files. You don't usually need to delete passwords or saved logins, just the cached data. After clearing your browser cache, refresh your website and check if the changes are now visible. Next, let's talk about plugin caching, which is extremely common in WordPress. If you've installed a speed or performance plugin like Lightspeed Cache, W3 Total Cache, WP Rocket, or a similar caching plugin, you must clear that cache as well. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and look for the caching plugin in the left-hand menu. Open the plugin settings and look for a button that says Clear Cache, Purge Cache, or Delete Cache. Click that button and wait for the process to finish. Some plugins also add a quick Clear Cache button in the top admin bar, so keep an eye out for that too. Clearing plugin cache ensures that WordPress regenerates fresh versions of your pages instead of serving old cached ones. After completing these steps, refresh your site one more time, preferably in an incognito or private browser window. This helps confirm that visitors will see the updated version of your website, not just you. At this point, your WordPress cache should be fully cleared at the server level, plugin level, and browser level. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to clear WordPress cache and fix common display and update issues on your site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, website tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.